Today I'm aboard our brand new 2026 Boston Whaler 350 Realm. My name is Chris Honig, and today I'm going to be going through a quick overview of this impressive vessel that can handle every activity you can throw at it. Right now I'm on the bow of the boat. One of the best focal points is the 3-person seating with armrest, forward facing, and then more comfortable seating up in the bow. This gives you great entertaining area and then easy access to your windlass anchor. We also have a full bow shade that will completely cover the bow while you're anchored up at your favorite sandbar. Keep everybody cool in the hot weather. We're now at the helm aboard the Boston Whaler 350 Realm. This is one of my favorite layouts on the boat, with a cabin boat that gives you the best of both worlds with walk-through to bow seating. But then a center helm is the key on this. A lot of your other boats have the helm off to the side. The center helm is going to give you the best visibility on the boat. 3-pane glass tier gives you no obstruction on there. Got Simrad 16-inch MFDs. These are built in with Whaler's digital options for all your accessories on the boat, from lighting to pumps to your aft shades to everything on there is easily controlled through the helm. And then you'll also have some of your hard toggle controls for your main features up top and down below. Right now we have Skyhook implemented in with our Mercury joystick, and then digital throttle and shift, Lenco electric trim tabs. We have our Simrad VHF radio, easy handheld right here, open array radar up top, as well as a remote spotlight. Helm seat is very comfortable for two, whether you're sitting up and having your passenger with the bolster down. Beautiful armrest with the teak accents on the back and on the top of the armrest. And then with a quick ease of access, this seat will flip around and change and rotate to some great dinette seating. But right now, having both forward seating fits forward very comfortably underway, and all protected with the isinglass on board. Now entering down into the luxurious cabin aboard the 350 Realm. We have beautiful teak steps down into the teak flooring. Filler cushions can create a huge bed area on board the boat. We're now in the back of the transom of the 350 Realm. I want to point out the main power plants on this boat. We have triple 400 V10 Mercuries in white. Joystick operational, gives you Skyhook, auto heading, and autopilot. 385-gallon fuel capacity, so great for long-range fishing trips to the Gulf Stream. Walk through to your swim platform. You'll have a dive ladder down below, freshwater shower on board, and then a very comfortable aft bench seat, which will fold out. Really deep seating, fits 3 comfortably along here. And then some more seating with your secondary row seating will flip back, and then you have a step that comes out. So great to entertain with 5 people in the back of the cockpit area. And then one of my favorite features on the boat, this is a refrigerated cooler. So you have easy access here, and then your big access to load all your groceries in, keep everything cool without having to add ice for the weekend. And then beautiful Corian countertop with our Kenyon electric grill, and then a fixed step to get on and off the starboard side of the boat. In-floor fish boxes down below, and then easy access to your bilges, your batteries, and table options if you had them down below here. Coming across to the port side, we have a standard live well on the boat, and then yacht style cleating, rod holders galore throughout, and then a huge dive door that's going to give you easy access off the port side of the boat. And then with a dive ladder in your handle here, easy access coming up from the water at your favorite sandbar or scuba dive. We've also added a Seakeeper gyro stabilization flywheel that will counteract the side-to-side rock of this boat and keep you even more stabilized while you're sitting still or underway. Thank you for joining me aboard our 2026 Boston Whaler 350 Realm. My name is Chris Honig, and we can be reached at 910-256-8100, and look forward to getting you on the water soon.